I'm going to turn it over to our CEO, Dilawar Syed. Dilawar, it's all you.
Thank you so much, Jessica, and thank you everybody again for joining us. I know some of you are dialing in from around the world, so we appreciate at this maybe a bit odd hour. Once again, I hope that you and your family and loved ones and colleagues are in good health, are safe, and very importantly, in good spirits. You know, this is obviously a trying time. It's a challenging time, but if there's any solace, we are all in this together, almost everywhere in the world. So again, our best wishes to everybody, and again, we thank you for participating. Let me first of all thank our sponsor, Blue Cross Blue Shield Association. They are also Lumiata investors, and we really greatly appreciate their financial support in helping us put this together. And they've been awesome partners. And I want to thank our judges, our partners, Vinod Khosla, who has been our very early backer of Lumiata from the very get-go, has also joined us, and we are really privileged to have him be as part of the judging panel for this hackathon. And I see I don't know if Catherine from Wharton, my alma mater, is joined as well. You know, she leads the social impact initiative there. It's great to have her there. I've worked with the California Governor's Office. I run entrepreneurship task force for California, so I understand that our CIO at the California Health and Human Services Department is also with us as a judge. So when you look at this group, there is a very, very diverse group of folks, who come from different backgrounds. Folks who I got to work with at White House, as a former U.S. CTO in the Obama administration, and the breadth of experiences. And we certainly hope that will, create an environment for judging where we have broad perspective, but also we get to sort of, impart your wisdom to participants as you engage with them over the next couple of weeks. So again, thank you for your time and for being there with us. And I hope you will also find this whole interaction with innovators from around the world useful and helpful. So Lumiata, many of you are familiar with, but just to give you overall a quick background, we are an AI for healthcare company. One of the early companies that have pioneered the use of AI for a breadth of use cases, both for health plans and providers. And when this crisis hit, we got together the team and we explored, well, how can we be a part of the solution with this pandemic? And we believe that the moment is right, the time is right, that a lot of the innovative muscle that we have built as a data science company, as an AI company, we can put that to use, whether it is to take care of people when it comes to healthcare or to manage the impact on health systems. So that's one area, and we are working on building solutions as we speak that will hopefully help a lot of healthcare companies manage the impact of this pandemic, which unfortunately is here to stay for some time, and there will be waves of infection. That's one area in which we are looking to help. And the second is, frankly, this, which is to enable a platform for innovation, to use our networks, to use the network of our great backers and luminaries that we have on this call, and encourage innovation from around the world. This is a global problem. This is not an American issue alone. And it's going to take us some time before we can come around to solving this. So we're certainly hoping that over the next course of week, we have hundreds of participants who are joining in. We'll create solutions that, quite frankly, help us turn a corner in our fight as a global community when it comes to this pandemic. So again, we greatly appreciate everybody's being on board, and certainly hope that we can drive some innovation that can make a big dent in our fight against coronavirus pandemic.